That's a hell of a thing your boys did, Artanis. Sky Shield is back online. We're about to call down the cavalry.
We will join you on the surface and extract the Keystone.
I got some bad news for you. Seems our friends below had the same idea. While we were fighting to get planetside, the Imperial Palace was raided. Security data indicates the Keystone was taken. My mama used to have a saying, when it rains, it floods.
I am uncertain as to how this saying is helpful, friend Raynor.
Me either. Wait a minute. I'm getting intel. A Mobius Core evac team is headed toward Bennett Port. They got the Keystone.
We shall not let them escape.
Hierarch, I have powered up a new ship subsystem. You can review it in the solar core now.
I have watched this Jim Raynor, studied the archives. I understand why I would respect him so, why I was his friend.
There is more to find in those archives. About Raynor. About yourself, if you have the courage to look further.
I am aware that part of my past may be lost forever. But now is not the time to lament. Certainly not when the glory of battle lies ahead.
Your friends are most unusual, Hierarch.
It's looking bad, Artanis. A lot of dead people down there. We gotta take these bastards out.
What could have led these Terrans to come under Amon's thrall?
They were assigned to some top-secret details, running security at Dr. Narud's hybrid research labs. After Valerian re-established the government, the Mobius Foundation went dark. Last transmissions were chaotic, crazed. Next thing we know, the attack started.
Then Amon has turned them into his slaves. An army. They are dangerous, but they are only the start of the war to come.
You always were the optimistic sort. Mobius Core is making their way to Bennett Port with the artifact. We gotta stop them before they get away with it. Welcome to Bennett Port, at least what's left of it. Mobius Core's entrenched themselves here to keep us from the artifact. Valerian's setting up his base now. Once he gets...
Raynor! What is happening?
The hybrid are channeling void energy into the Keystone. The resulting psionic disruption has overwhelmed the Terrans.
Deploy our immortals. We need heavy assault to protect these Terrans until the disruption subsides.
Man, that's 2 I owe you, Artanis. Felt like I was losing my damn mind.
The Keystone is recharging, Commander. They will surely activate it again soon. We must reclaim it.
You ain't kidding. Let's lock and load, partner.
I heed. I feel your presence.
We can construct immortals from the robotics facility. They are quite effective at sieging enemies or defending our allies.
The enemy closes.
All right. My boys are taking this fight to Mobius Core. Once you got your defenses in place, bring the heat.
Aiki. Osharos Shien.
This disruption has hit my forces hard. We've taken heavy casualties, and we're going to need more time to establish our fortifications. Do what you can to keep them at bay.
Already on it. Your position will be secure till they fire off that keystone again.
I return to serve. We Aiki. I feel your presence. I heed the call. Pors Zalar. Our cannons shall sing. Our duty is unending.
Hierarch, several of our Dominion research facilities are reporting that they are under attack. If you can rescue them, I'll return any Protoss technology they've collected to you.
We have liberated a Dominion facility.
Can't believe we made it out alive. Some of our medics will stay behind in case you need them.
I return to serve. It is destined. We speak your demand. This warrior awakens. Our duty is unending. It is destined. I return to serve.
The Keystone is about to emit another disruption nova. The Terrans will be incapacitated while the disruption is active.
Fear consume you. We shall serve.
You have not enough minerals.
Osharos Shien. It is destined. I stand.
Your allies are in battle.
This warrior awakens. Pors Zalar. Our cannon shall sing. I return to serve. We march to victory. Our duty.
Your allies are in battle.
I heed the call. Undaram, our duty is unending. We shall serve forever.
Your allies are in battle.
There shall be a reckoning.
Our pylon is under attack.
your help. Our last science vessels are on their way to the front line.
Identify. I feel you. The enemy closes.
Commander, our forces are ready. The Dominion is engaging Mobius Core.
It is destined.
We've broken their defenses. Let's get some bunkers out there.
We meet the enemy in battle. This warrior awakens.
Mobius Core has turned their sights upon our Nexus. Prepare for battle.
All will worship or be forever silent. We shall.
Our pylon is under attack. Are under attack.
I return to serve. I heed. This warrior awakens. The enemy shall be.
Dominion SCVs, establish a fortification line here.
This Osharos Shien. Our cannon shouts, we shall serve forever.
You must place that in a power feed.
I return to serve. I heed the call. Identify our...
You must construct additional pylons.
I stand.
Upgrade complete.
The Keystone is emitting powerful energies. I expect it will fire again soon.
You have not enough minerals.
I am here in the shadows.
Forge ahead to the Keystone's location.
As you say, I am cold as the void. I am here.
Damn, that's one hell of a headache. Thanks for the help, Artanis.
This warrior awakens.
Marines, push the battle line forward.
Let our enemy know our fury. Intriguing. It shall be as you say. We are one with the shadows.
Thank heavens. Almost everyone died. Just a few medevacs left. I'll send them to support the Emperor's forces.
Emperor Valerian, we have secured all of the threatened facilities.
I promise you, I won't forget this kindness, Hierarch.
This warrior awakens.
You require. I am the voice of the Eclipse. State thy bidding. Very wise. Very well. Very wise. It shall be as you say. Very well.
Well, that did it. We pushed Mobius core back. Damn. Look at this place. Even the Zerg didn't tear into the city like this.
Did you know this warrior?
No. But I know his story. I know all their stories. None of them ever think it'll end like this. Reports been coming in from all over. Dominion worlds overrun. Outposts destroyed. A lot more dead boys out there. Warriors.
Death is the fate of all warriors. A fate we too may soon embrace.
Fate ain't written, Artanis. The way I see it, if Zeratul believed you could make a difference in all this, then this fight's just begun.
It is your custom to shake the hand of a friend, is it not?